Hello friends, welcome to Tricks. Last month, Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve was included in the list of UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Under the UNESCO's program of Man and Biosphere, 9 biospheres of India were already listed under UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves, and now with Agasthyamala, this number has become 10. In the wake of this, it is important to learn about the UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves in India. So in this video we will learn a trick. These 10 biosphere reserves are Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve, added in the month of March, Nilgiri in the Western Ghats, Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu, Sundarban, West Bengal, Nokrek, Meghalaya, Simlipal, Odisha, Nanda Devi, Uttarakhand, Panchmad, Madhya Pradesh, Achankamar, Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and Great Nicobar. And a trick to remember these 10 biosphere reserves, I have made a sentence. You remember this scene from the famous movie Scarface? Here is Al Pacino who loves guns, and we know that Al Pacino, the famous actor of Godfather, in most of the movies he has used guns. So he's saying about our great actors of Bollywood, Sunil Dutt and Nargis, who hates gun. Great actors Sunil Dutt and Nargis were simply against the gun, said Al Pacino. Al Pacino loves gun, so he is talking about great actors Sunil Dutt and Nargis, and they didn't like guns. This fact you can recall from the fact that Sunil Dutt came to know about the guns with Sanjay Dutt. He himself took him to the police station. So great actors Sunil Dutt and Nargis were simply against the gun, said Al Pacino. From Great Nicobar, from actors A.C. Achankamar and Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, from Sunil, S.U. Sundarban and Nilgiri, Nargis, N.A. for Nanda Devi, and from Nargis, you can remember that Nargis and Nanda both were actress. So from N.A. Nargis and N.A. Nanda, Simlipal in Odisha against Agasthyamala, added last month, Agasthyamala. From Gun, GU, Gulf of Mannar, Al Pacino from PAC, Panchmad of Madhya Pradesh, and from Nokrek. So in this way, all the 10 biosphere reserves which are listed under the UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves can be remembered. Hope you like this trick. I will be making similar videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.